We about to do a darkness test. 3, 2, 1. Straight like that.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Okay, back from the hardware store, Ace Hardware to be exact. As you can see, we got a few supplies. Nothing too crazy, just needed some wire to extend the wire for the light to hook up to the switch, and the battery pack. And I also got these bolts. These are M6 by 100 thread. And I got a few nuts also, so hopefully my little idea is gonna work. I'm very confident in it, but if not, I'm just gonna have to get a bracket that works with the bar. But hopefully I can get this into the what's it called, the front number plate bracket. Basically, this is where's the original one? This is the original M6 bolt from the front number plate. I just got some longer ones to see if I can, get it installed with the light. So we about to try it out and see. So I think I'm gonna start with the middle length. This is a 25, I don't know if it's, yeah, probably 25 millimeters. So 25, a 35, and a 40. So M6 by 25, M6 by 35, M6 by 40. So let's see. One of them gonna work. I'm speaking into existence now. So we about to test it out and see. There you go. One part I didn't quite think of in my genius idea is how I'm gonna screw this in there. But probably gonna have to take bar pad off, but I think I'm gonna be able to squeeze it back on once it's on there. Because I need to screw it on square. Don't know. I'm glad I brought the washer because I'm gonna need to put something up in there like that. A lock nut to tighten it down. But looks like it may work. And with the long bolt, I can adjust the height of it. Okay. Uh-oh, looks like we got action. Bro, my genius idea. I'm a genius, bro. I'm a genius. And the bar pad actually might add stability to it actually. So it's like if it's tight up against the bar pad, bro. Okay, so the battery pack is on the front number plate now, as you can see. Got the wires going out to the left side because, so you can see these wires are on the left side. And then when the light is facing the front, the wires are also on the left side. So let's check the fitment. It's like it's not even there. It's like it's not even there, kiddo. Perfect. You can see front number plate fits on just like his OEM style. All right. Actually, so like so. Make sure it's centered, but yeah, straight like that. All right. So now just gotta figure out the wire configuration. See how we gonna line up. Here we are at the workbench, about to get our lighting wiring set up. So this is a simple schematic that I got off the school. I'm gonna put a link for the guy's YouTube video and channel. Young guy, really helpful, real simple. Light switch, light, switch, battery. The light positive goes to the battery positive. Light negative goes to the switch negative. Battery negative goes to the switch positive. Pretty simple. So we gonna put it pretty much exactly how it is on this paper. Battery, light, switch. So essentially, we got battery positive to light positive, light negative to battery negative, and then the remaining wires, the battery negative goes to the light positive, and that's gonna pretty much complete our little circuit right there. Straight like that. I honestly don't think I'm gonna even need no extra wire. It's probably gonna be able to work straight like that. So I'm gonna put some button connectors on these. Probably cut this wire down a little bit. And we should be good to go. Let's do it, Lego. Like I said before, this is just battery powered. So if I'm out riding, I don't have to worry about it dying on me. Well, I'm not gonna worry about it dying and not being able to charge it. I can just swap the batteries out and have a full charge ready to go. And I was gonna screw it in, but I don't want to have to carry too many tools, so I'm gonna just wrap rubber band, or probably 1 or 2 rubber bands around it. This thing actually has a switch on it itself also. But yeah, keep some batteries on me, you know, and I'll be able to just swap that out instead of having to worry about come on back home, be stranded somewhere without a light. Okay, as you can see here, I switched the boat out to the, was it 40 millimeter M6 about 40. That's what this is. And I put the 2 nuts on there basically, so you can see, to get it locked on there, so this don't move around, and you know. And I even got one to put under there too, so. But let's get this thing on here. It's not gonna be the easiest thing to tighten this thing. I don't know exactly how I am gonna tighten this down actually. I'm trying to see how far I even want it. Yeah, we're gonna need it further than that. So yeah, it's not even tightened all the way down yet. It's sturdy. It's pretty damn sturdy. Like, it's part of the bike and it's not even tight. Yes, sir. Not putting no extra stress on this, it don't seem like. Maybe a little, but it's nothing too crazy. There we go. Wire's coming out here. This wire is plenty wire, probably gonna cut that down. Then they're gonna meet here. So it's gonna be something like that, and we're gonna give it plenty of room so it can get tucked. Okay, there we have our little circuit. Light, negative, switch negative, light, positive, battery positive, switch, positive, battery negative. Straight like that. Then we're gonna just be able to tuck them in there. However I'm gonna tuck them. They're gonna just be chilling in there. Like so. About to do the first test and see how easy it is to get this battery pack on there while it's, you know. Let's see. Well, that's actually not that bad. That wasn't that hard. I'm just trying not to mess up the Velcro, but that wasn't bad at all. Okay, let's get some batteries in there. All right. This is the moment of truth. Is it gonna work? Ladies and gentlemen, what they say, let there be light. It's working, that thing bright too. So as you can see, those wires are pretty tough. They're not going nowhere. It's about as much as they'll even maybe come out, but not even then. Even on the bars, as you can see, zip tie them all together. I turn the bars, it doesn't cause anything to pull out or move too much. It's just the right amount. A nice clean look. You know, clean as I can get it. But I'm overall satisfied with my new setup. I am overall satisfied with my new light setup. And I went with the 4-inch light because I just wanted something as small and low key and low profile as possible. As you can see, it's a nice clean look. I was still able to fit my bar pad on there, which was another goal of mine. It is tight, I'll tell you that. We're gonna see how it works. I'm just hoping this don't heat up too much and like burn my bar pad or something, but I don't think it should be too bad. Okay, here we are. We're about to do a darkness test. 3, 2, One. Straight like that. Man, I'm super satisfied with that. That's how you put a light on your dirt bike.